Achije adek mitudo gi nek mar jaod bura ma Kasipul Ong'ondo Were ochwal e doho ma Kibera e belo chieng' mong'ere kaka Dave Kalo, Edwin Oduor Odhiambo kaachiel kod William Shigali ochwal e nyim jang'ad bura Diana Kaveza, kama apisi mar jamin wach okwayo mondo mi doho ochiw thuolo mondo timnegi nonro mar obwongo kapo ni pachgi liw kata oyo.
In addresses that are known and have since previously been declared, and that should not raise any close proximity that would affect the discomfort or the raw emotion that still prevails amongst the victim family. Be that as it may, Your Honor, as regards the prematurity of the application, Your Honor, I am minded that the provisions of Article 49(1)H and in its expansiveness with the reading of Section 123 of the Criminal Procedure Code, my leadership is equally clothed with powers to grant bail before charge and trial and or grant bail after charge and trial. So at the stage that we are, 32 days after incarceration, Your Honor, we are informed that the charge is ready, the assessment is pending, and whereas I come from the school that assessment ought to be done before the plea is taken, nothing prevents, Your Honor, from exercising your discretion to grant bail at this pre-charge stage, which we plead with Your Honor that you should so grant. That is all in further reply.
Only our neighbors were not here, I will do my ruling on the spot. Allow me to write it in chambers and then come back. Yes.